friends, today we're doing a little product review of the Eagle Creak Switchback backpack. Welcome to Jane Sees the World. We are just a couple of average gals who love to explore the world. We are part-time travelers with full-time jobs, and if that sounds familiar to you, go ahead and subscribe. We're sharing all of our tips and tricks to make the most out of those precious vacation hours. So now, let's talk about backpacks. First, a little history about me. I love a good backpack for travel. They're super convenient, lots of great pockets. I pretty much love everything in a backpack. But I discovered midway through my 30s that I'm not really a backpack kind of person anymore. I still like the convenience, but I don't always want to look like I'm trekking through a hostel when I'm traveling these days. So after I got back from a voyage to Australia, I started to do a little research to see if I could find something that fits my current lifestyle and my current sense of travel. Something a little bit more hybrid. And guess what? There is. They're called rolling backpacks. You get all the convenience of a backpack, but with a set of wheels for those times when you just don't feel like trucking along a backpack. That's when you simply get on down the road with the wheels. In doing my research, I found that there were really only two brands that carried a quality rolling backpack. That was Osprey and Eagle Creak. I went with Eagle Creak simply because I found an affordable one on Steep and Cheap. Relatively affordable. These puppies are not cheap. But given that I used my last backpack for 10 years, I figured this one was worth the investment. Now for the pros. Eagle Creak has a nice no matter about what warranty. That means if anything breaks, goes wrong, malfunctions, you can get it fixed. You paid for that promise and you get to use it. Second thing that I really like about this bag is that it is front loading. I'm a big fan of front loading backpacks. They just make life a lot easier. This bag does not come with a ton of pockets, but what it is set up for is excellent space to use packing cubes, particularly Eagle Creaks. They fit in real nice here, and since I'm a big fan of packing cubes, I like that this bag works well with them. The bag is 40 liters, which means that I can use it as a carry-on. Technically will fit up there in the airplane. I tend to check it, but it is an option. The bag does come with a carry-on that can be attached 3 different ways. It actually has this zipper here on the back that can be zipped right onto the front of the backpack. Like that. The other option is you can wear it in front. If you have the backpack on, it has these clips here and you can just clip it onto the backpack and carry it here in front. And then of course the other option is there is this sleeve here that fits right onto the, whatever that thing is, that bar that you drag. Now for the cons. When you get a backpack that has these sturdy wheels that work really great when you're running them around cobblestones, it does make the pack a little bit heavier. So if you're planning on wearing it mostly as a backpack, it's going to weigh more than an average backpack. If you're planning on mostly rolling it or doing halvesies, it's probably fine. Also, black is boring. It works all right when I'm taking this for work, but it's not my favorite color, and it looks like everyone else's bag. I did go ahead and add a cute little decal to mine so that it spices up a little bit, but that's boring. Also, this switchback version only comes with one set of backpack straps. That means you have to take these off to put them on the main bag and back and forth, which is quite cumbersome. I believe that the new version has a separate set on each, so that is a con to using the switchback. And the final con is the price. There's no way around this one. Even getting a older version on Steep and Cheap, I paid a pretty penny for it. I do think it's worth the investment. I do like quality gear that's going to hold up to the travels that I do, and it's going to last a long time. So I think it was worth the money, but it wasn't fun to spend. If you find yourself at a new travel stage, maybe you're in your 30s and you have left the backpacking world behind, I highly recommend a rolling backpack, the Eagle Creak one, the Switchback. I'm a big fan. I like where it's going, and I plan on using this for many more years. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave a comment. If you've got anything else you'd like us to review, let us know. We'll see you next time.